So what do we got going, Mike?
Forks.
Who makes those forks?
WP.
So this is a WP fork from a 1991 KTM 300 Ninja bike. And we're gonna, because everybody knows ninjas ride dirt bikes.
Ninjas.
And carry swords on their backs. Sometimes machine guns.
Ninjas and machine guns and shit.
Yeah, ninjas, machine guns and shit. Dang, we should have named our channel Ninjas, Machine Guns and Shit. Okay. So we've got this WP fork from the 1991
It is a
KTM.
I think it's a 4054. K&S Technologies. They're the only people I know that I've found that actually have such forks or said seals.
First thing,
Pop the rebounder off. We turn it all the way to slow.
ooh,
No, all the way to fast.
ooh.
All the way to fast.
We like to go fast here in the shop with Mike and Chris.
All the way to fast. So there's fast, then we pull that guy off, and there's a O-ring in here. And then we can buzz this guy off.
Holy chihuahua.
So,
And then there's another seal inside there. See that seal inside there?
and then
Then
we can drop this guy here.
drop that guy, and you got to be careful because there is fluid in there. And then these things here come off,
These little retainers.
and then once they come off, that separates the spring from
The
the.
whole mess starts coming apart.
Yeah. And then we got those two seals. There's two seals.
Actually, there's 3 on this
three.
one.
Oh,
And there's no metal one.
okay. Huh.
And then here we go with the spring.
Spring.
Spread that guy right there, and this guy's gonna come down. Now we're gonna just dump the oil. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, ugly black oil.
Oh, did I see a piece of something? Oh, is that something? And then there's the spacer and a metal washer. Is that the metal
Now,
washer is supposed to be up top? Oh,
that metal washer was supposed to be on top, not
that's what I
bottom.
thought. Interesting.
So somebody been in here before at one point.
Some butcher.
Possibly. That little guy can go up here too. Look at how dirty these are.
Yep. She was a dirty girl.
Put this guy in here just for ease of doing stuff.
Oh, not quite.
This is a dust seal. These are also available from K&S. I found after I bought the seals and didn't buy these. That's first. Then,
Where it was leaking a little wet there.
oh, it was, yeah. Now there's a, well, this is what I need to take out right here. It's a snap ring.
Oh, there's a snap ring in there. The ring of snap.
There we go. There's a snap ring. Now, it comes apart pretty easy. There it is. Now we pop this guy off. And we take this guy off. And it's
Oh, that's the little brass piece.
this, well, this is one of them. This, there's 2 things here. There's the, this is a bushing. This is the inside bushing. And this is the outside bushing.
Oh my.
And that's the backup ring for the seal. There's the
There's
seal.
the seal.
And you got, and there's also on this seal, there's a,
Little spring.
no, well, yeah, there's a spring, but there's also this
Oh.
little ring.
Okay.
that goes on the lip.
Gotcha.
And then that goes on, that holds that, and then that's that, and then you've got the shaft. And that's pretty much the innards.
Easy peasy for Mike.
Well, now we do this. Now we put this in here.
Oh, there's still more?
Oh yeah, there's still more.
Oh, you take that net off the bottom.
Now we do that.
There's a bolt on the bottom, yeah. They call that the bottom bolt. Not to be confused with the top bolt. Because your top bolt's gonna be on top, and your bottom bolt's gonna be on the bottom. Oh, you got it drilled.
Drilled.
The bracket.
Partially. Look at it. Okay, here we go. Now we've got, there's the, now I get to spend about,
That's a disassembly.
now I get to spend about at least an hour,
Putting it back together.
no, cleaning it.
Oh, well, yeah, we're not gonna be here for that. I'm gonna go have a beer.
The good shit. It smells good too.
Smells good. That's the good shit right there. What do they call it? Panther piss?
No, that's not panther piss. Panther piss
Not panther piss.
or snake oil.
Snake
No,
oil.
That's,
Take it easy, Erico. That's
That
not
shit
panther
is-
piss. Don't get all excited.
This is your this here is your
Oh,
snake
that's the
oil
snake oil
or panther piss
or panther piss. Okay.
anything penetrance.
Penetrance or panther piss, y'all. And we were gonna go ahead and be heroes and build that sucker up and do all that, but it's pretty warm outside. We've got some other projects we're working on.
The hangman's noose.
The hangman's
Hangman.
noose, a junker, but the most important project is, somebody at one point commented about, man, I'd like to crack one open with you guys. Well, if you guys are ever in the neighborhood, I've always got a few beers in the old beer fridge, and then I got something special.
Oh my God, it's frozen.
Yes, it's frozen. It's better frozen. We won't have none of that. What do you want? Okay, I'm gonna have a Hams. What would you like, Mike?
This one.
Paps, a 12er. So we're gonna go ahead and hit pause. If you guys want to have a beer with us, run to the fridge and grab a beer, because we're gonna sit and have a beer.
Shoot the shit and have a beer.
Yeah. So basically, look
Somebody
who's
found
here.
a brand new ball.
Look who's here. We don't play ball in the shop. We don't play ball in the shop. It's not because we don't like him. We love him, but we don't want him getting shop dirt.
He
You can
gets
see the
sick.
floor. Yeah, because he's crazy and he will eat it. He's crazy. Look at him. Is that a crazy dog? Hey, crazy dog. So you see the craze in his eyes?
You guys, here's to you.
Yes, and oh yeah, by the way, man, we've got some berserkers out there. We are at 99 subscribers, Mike. Can you believe that?
That's incredible.
It's completely insane. 99. One more and we're pushed over the top. So if you guys, I hate to be like this because I really, but I would like to see 100. So if anybody haven't subscribed, or you can subscribe twice. Everybody unsubscribe real quick and then resubscribe.
Does that work? I don't think so.
Probably not, but you're doing something for the channel.
Yep, got to do something for this channel. There's a comment on the last KTM video. Somebody commented, and I replied to it.
Oh, I saw that. That's Matt Boudreau.
Matt.
You met Matt. Remember Matt?
Matt commented he wanted to see a trials bike.
And there's something in the loop for that.
And I told him, I said, I got a line on a trials bike. We'll see.
And it's something special. It's an interesting one, isn't it? Like something that's not normal.
It's not a normal, it's not something you see every day. Well, trials bikes tend to be not normal anyway, so.
There's nothing normal about a trials bike.
There's The big guys, they don't like Suzuki and Yamaha, and
They're not big into
they don't
trail bikes.
make that stuff. They did a long time ago.
Like our video we did, the Trials Race, the Trials Ride.
Yeah, 80. Those were 80. No, 75.
75.
74, 75.
And the one thing I
I
found,
think Honda did it too
Yeah.
way back in that vintage.
the one thing I found out about that event was if you're going to ride trials, there's one thing you have to keep in mind. You have to be the coolest individual in the world.
Yes.
Everybody,
Everybody there.
everybody was just
The coolest people.
the coolest people. I mean, you could walk up to anybody and ask them about their bike, and the first thing I'll ask you, you want to ride it?
That's right. Many. Just offer you shirt off their back. Mm-hmm. Problems, they'll go get parts and fix it.
And the guy that jumped into the ditch is obviously a very talented rider, but he was just like willing to wait for me while I'm slipping and trying to turn the camera on. And that was after a few beers. So, you know, shit gets a little slippery when after a few beers. You got crazy dog here.
Wanting the ball.
Wanting the ball. So we're going to hold off on doing the install video. Because once the beer gets involved, that's it. We're done. We're drinking
Install, I mean the KTM. The fork?
beer. The fork. See, we already
Well,
forgot.
The fork, it like I said, it's going to take me at least an hour to clean all that shit. And then get it all ready to go back together. But if it looks anything like the first side, it actually looked pretty good.
Yep. So that's what we got. Thanks for hanging out with us while we have a beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. Y'all, again, thanks for watching. And you guys make it fun for us. Hopefully we'll make it fun for y'all.